kind of wanted to jump right back into it because the game kind of really, I'm like, you know what? I want to play you some more because y'all made a fool out of me and I didn't enjoy that. So we're going to go back into this. We're going to beat the skeletons and see what the fuck. So, the flames brought to life. I have found the location of the meat portal, but it's heavily defended by snipers. The candle has offered assistance, but I must kill Val, the best of the demon snipers. To get a clear shot of Val, I will have to get to the roof of a nearby building while avoiding her sniper. The candle's never engaged in combat, but her employers made an exception. She paints with such nice glee, a splattered canvas, a woman of vision cannot live with me. Man, what the hell? Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay. Where is she? When I step into the light, oh, she's across in the building sniping. Oh, so that's how that works. I need a good gun then. I'm gonna take my scythe. Cause I feel like that's all we're dealing with here. Alright, we're gonna have to be real quick. I like how I say we gotta be quick. Killed. Yeah, bitch, you thought you had me. You thought you had me. Really? That was the back room. I'm looking at this bitch like, stop it. Stop it. I don't want to play. Stop. I don't want to play. Like, this woman looking like she's insisting on we play together, and I don't want to play. No. We're not doing this. We're not doing this. Oh my god. She wants to do this. She wants to be friends. I don't want 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 to be friends. Stop it. Girl, can you stop it? When a man says no, that means no. Oh shit, oh shit. No! No! I got scared to snipe it, bitch. Urgh, I hate her so much. I hate you so much. I hate you so much. Eat that. Stop it. If a guy asks you to stop, you stop it. Woman, I swear to God, you need to get a life. Get 15 of them, cause you own some bullshit. That's what you own. I closed the door. I closed the. Y'all saw that door close. Y'all saw the door close, and I got dicked. It's like getting punched in the dick. Ooh. Woman, can you please stop? I'm begging. I'm begging. I'm begging you. Please. Please stop. The door. Why? I swear to God, this door gonna stop. This door needs to stop. Oh shit. You know what? Fuck it. No. No means no in my book. It's like you want to cuss this woman out, like, you stupid bitch, fuck off. I was in the damn... See, that's the bullshittery I'm talking about. I was in the vents. I was gone, long gone. They went upstairs. Okay, I can work with that. I don't approve of you. Why? I don't ask for much. I ask for little things, but no. I get the dicketry. That's what I get. And is that what I deserve? Is the dicketry that you guys feed me? Where'd he go? Oh my god. I literally lost her for a second. I literally lost her for a second. Okay. I gotta make her shoot first. She's dead. She's dead. She's dead. She's dead. She's dead. I just gotta get upstairs, please. Did I lose her? Oh my god, the bitch almost shot me. Motherfuck. Crazy bitch. My sniper! No, my scythe! They took my scythe. Oh. My precious scythe. Gone. They took it. I'm heartbroken. I love that damn scythe. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Thank God I'm at a checkpoint. I swear to fucking God. You stupid bitch. Stop it. Would you stop the madness? Are you fucking me, man? Lady, I have never hated someone so much. But right now, you're pissing me off. I almost fucking died. I would've got pissed off. She's the only one up there. I could take her. Open the door. Oh, hell no. I don't do no damn dog. I almost died, almost died. This bitch. Okay, where is she? That's not her. She should be on the rooftop, maybe? I swear if I die. Scanning. I'm looking for her. I ever heard jokes on the other foot? Guess what? I'm looking for her. There she is. Got her. Oh shit. We got it from here. What you mean? Whoa, I've never been this close to the Reaper before. Okay. Don't scare me like that. I literally almost shot them. Like, don't sneak up on me like that. Taking all the ammo I can before I head out. Cause there might be people downstairs again. You don't know. Oh, that's it. The flame stays extinguished, but the voice still speaks. He cannot be free. I cannot forgive. A man undead cannot live with me. The candles will support from above, but they have limited ammunition. I will have to make use of their conservatively. Okay. Oh, that's it. Like, is this it though? Oh my god. We're so close. We'll be warm soon. So is this it? Is this the last mission? Oh. But this is the portal. Kill the remaining 8. Okay. Is there another way I can go than under direct assault against this jackass? I guess not, huh? I obviously can't go over there and say hello. My name is Richard. Oh my god, I barely killed the damn dog. Do you see upstairs? Oh, I see toys. So many beloved toys. Oh my god. Shotguns, Tommy guns, bolt action. Oh god, the bolt action is so beautiful because the bolt action, that's a one-hit kill at far distance. I don't know what I want. I don't know what I want. I gotta take the bulk action. I have to. It's an instant kill. Ooh. Okay, so if we're starting up here, I have to trick them to come to my territory, and I'm gonna slice them. See, that's the problem. He will alarm them. Okay. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. That was actually an experiment because I did not know how to go about it, but since I know he will snitch, I cannot approach him the way I want. Got him. So would it be just wise just to take the grenade launcher? No. I don't know. What would be wiser? The Tommy gun got more ammo. I'm gonna take the Tommy gun because that has more ammo. Because once I call myself killing what's his face, I can just saw my way through the rest of them. So, okay. So, kill. Oh wow. I don't think I can just do that without raising the alarms, and I do mean raising the alarms. So I need a different I need a different approach. I need a really different approach. Now I can do a hit and run tactic considering the fact that other matter I'm right across from the goodies. I can do that. I can do that. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Okay. And y'all didn't flinch not one time. Y'all something else. Y'all is something else. They didn't flinch not one time. Yeah, it's called aiming up, and y'all don't do that. And where you think you going? Where you think you going? Huh? Yeah, I thought so. Alright, where my information at? I better get another gun just in case. Just in case. Alright, where's the information? Did I... Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I'm running. I'm happy I moved. But what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to go down there? Wish me luck. I was. Home sweet home. Continue to the exit. Did I do it? Is this my home? I don't know. I'm collecting bullets. I don't know. Find information. I have no idea what I'm looking for. It said find information, but I don't see the information. I'm gonna get my trusty scythe. I don't trust nothing else. Pick up the headhunter. Nah, it's fine. Is the information out here? No, it's not. So, what information? Oh. Oh. Are they bowing? Is that the Great Flame or something? Come, do not fear my true form. So, find information. What information? Do I just sit here? The figure glows with fire. I was not expecting guests, said the familiar tone. I've spoken to you for so long. My home, I have shared my warmth with you before. I have room for all who roam. It is my come crackling flame. I cannot stop him. I am not the god of death. Perhaps you will share his coffin. Graham, right, damn. He's already here. Spoke of the flame. He cannot be free. He cannot be forgiven. Oh, now I gotta kill him. Uh-oh. Y'all ready for the final fight? Oh, I got 2 pistols. Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let me kill his backup first. I think, yeah, that's someone outside. Oh my fucking god. He just blapped the shit out of me and took my stuff. You bitch. Good thing my cipher's up here. Now I know where he is. I ain't worried about that. You get this fucking asshole right here. Alright. Before I do anything, let me see if I can actually cut him with the scythe. He brought back up. We'll let him make the first move, then we'll move. Where you going? But once they separate, I'm gonna engage. Yeah, it's too early to engage. They're stuck together like glue. I need to find a way to divide them. Got one. Where your friend at? Okay, he right there. Alright, what y'all wanna do? I could engage him now. Are you fucking? I switched to my gun to shoot him. God fucking damn it. It's like everything goes so well and then one tiny thing fucks it up. Like right now, that door didn't shut. Now I'm exposed. Did he get wind of me? He probably did. Kill this fucking douchebag. Oh shit. I'm in the fifth. How? Oh my god. I've never. Wow. Something that could have happened 2 seconds ago, but no. Game had to be the biggest asshole he can be. Okay. Is he still where he should be? I don't see him. Yeah, he's still there. Okay, he got his backup with him. But he's the intended target. I didn't mean to press it. God, see, that's why I'm now I'm making silly mistakes. I'm sorry, that last couple that got me agitated, so now I'm making stupid mistakes. Relax. Relax. That's all I gotta do. Just relax. Alright. Still waiting for them to make the first move. They down now, but that's not a good spot. Your friend's a little bit too far for me to actually hurt him. He'll shoot me before I can even get close. Alright. My other options. Okay, he's dead. Okay. That's where he is. That's where his friend is. I need to find a way. Unless I could just engage. I might have to engage them. Like actually shoot him. Is that door closed? It is. Go ahead, leave your boss alone. What? So he shoots it. Okay. To be honest, that's something I did not factor in. That his shots are actually more precise and he's on point. He's a quick draw. Okay. So I didn't factor that in. So that is my fault. Alright. It's fine. It's fine. I didn't factor that in. That's my fault. My fault. Alright. Granted, he's still an asshole. So now the objective, I have to trick his friends to go where I want them to go. See, I could engage him now, but the problem is guaranteed one of them get a good shot off me. Trying to separate them is a bitch. Fuck. So if they stand right there, what y'all gonna do? I'm in trouble. They just gonna stand now. He's looking at the door, so that's not a smart thing to engage the enemy. But the problem is, they're just sitting there. Like, literally, they're just sitting there. I might have no choice. Let's see what other guns I got. Shut up, phone. Oh, God, it's them. Headhunter. I might need a headhunter. Of course, I couldn't do nothing about it. I couldn't do nothing about that. Let me deal with this real quick. Stupid thing. Alright. Cause the problem is, if they get broken, if their movement get broken, I cannot do nothing about that. So it's a matter of luck. Like, it doesn't happen. If it don't happen, I'll be happy. If it does, well, we'll be biting a bullet. See, I could get him now, but I can't run the risk. I can't run the risk because he's a sharpshooter. He's a real sharpshooter, and them are almost as sharp as he is. So I have to be careful. Shit. Was that smart or not smart? I haven't decided yet. Uh-oh. Okay, that worked out. I need another gun. Okay. fucked that up badly. I got him. It said kill all undead, but I don't see no more. I don't see no more. Oh. I'm sorry, friend. I did it. The damage is done. No, you have worked so hard. I think it's time for you to rest. And the lights dim out. Wow. Well, guys, that's the end of Deadbolt. I really hope you all enjoyed this series, and we are officially done with it. I'm very sorry that the last episode was kind of long, but it was killing me, and I had to really strategize. But that's it, everybody. That is it, and when we're done. So with that said, everybody, thank you all for watching Deadbolt. Please continue watching for other. Hold on. No. And no. 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 And no. Anyway, please keep on watching for the next series. And until then, everybody, I will see all of you when the next moon rises.